What's the meaning of cession? Cession. Cession.
Cession. Cession. Cession refers to the act of giving up or surrendering something, often territory or rights. The result of a cession is a transfer of control from one entity to another, typically negotiated through a formal agreement or treaty. Cessions can occur for a variety of reasons, such as the end of a war or as part of diplomatic negotiations. In many cases, cessions have significant political and economic implications for both parties involved, and can alter the balance of power in a region or around the world.